Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new property tour of Engel Völkers. It's me Julie again, back on stage, and I would love to show you this contemporary house here in Elviria at the Gulf. So let's go and enjoy. Villa Cruz is constructed a little bit more than 1,000 square meters. We have 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. We have a division of 3 levels and a connection from the basement to the rooftop with a glass elevator. And from there, obviously, you can have a very beautiful view to the sea.
Entering this nice large living area with a dining area. On the side, a beautiful large crystal patio which brings a lot of light into the property, and the windows from the floor to the ceiling. And of course, we have a contemporary home which offers you the demotic control, the underfloor heating, the open plan kitchen with all appliances with Gaggenau, and at the pool area, you will have another fully equipped kitchen, which is an extension for the whole outer area of this property. And obviously, you can enjoy the whole year long with your friends and family there.
I'm walking here on this sunny, large terrace. The Villa Cruz is situated on almost 1,500 square meters of plots and at the Gulf, Santa Maria in Elviria, and there's just a short drive down to all amenities, bars, restaurant, and the most famous beach clubs, Nikki Beach, La Plage, on the most beautiful beaches of Marbella East. Indeed, Villa Cruz is like a cruise. It takes you to the most beautiful destination of the world, like New York, Tarifa, and even the elevator is named like a sun deck, a pool deck. So if you like the daytime already, then just enjoy the night one. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching to this new property tour of Engel Völkers. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to have more information, click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I hope I see you very soon in Marbella. Bye.